Today we're in England and we'll be going over the tips and tricks you need to know before traveling to this amazing country. With its rich history, stunning landscapes, and vibrant culture, England is a dream destination for many. So grab your tea and scones and let's dive into the essential tips and insights you need to know. First off is engage with the local lingo. First things first, let's talk about the language. Yes, English is spoken in England, but you might be surprised by some of the differences in British English versus American English. For instance, biscuit means cookie, chips are what Americans call French fries, and crisps are potato chips. Don't be surprised if you hear someone refer to cues instead of lines. It's also worth noting that the British have a great sense of humor, often using irony and sarcasm in their speech. Embrace the banter and you'll find it all part of the British charm. Next up is to embrace the weather. So when it comes to English weather, the cliche about rain isn't entirely unwarranted. The weather in England can be unpredictable, so be prepared for rain even in the summer. Pack layers, a reliable umbrella, and waterproof clothing to stay comfortable no matter what the skies decide to do. And here's a handy tip: the weather can vary greatly from north to south and east to west, so be sure to check the forecast for each specific destination you plan to go. The next tip is getting around. Navigating England is a breeze thanks to its extensive public transportation system. Trains, buses, and the London Underground make it super easy to explore the country's cities and countryside. If you plan to use public transportation frequently, consider purchasing an Oyster card for London or a rail pass for traveling between cities. It can save you tons of money and time. Next up is driving in England. If you decide to rent a car and drive in England, there's a couple things to keep in mind. First, they drive on the left side of the road, so make sure you're comfortable with that if you plan to get behind the wheel. Second, the roundabouts can be a bit intimidating, but they're an efficient way to manage traffic. Just remember to give way to the right. And don't forget to explore the picturesque English countryside, where you'll find charming villages and scenic routes that are perfect for a road trip. Next, we've got the British pub experience. One quintessential British experience you won't want to miss is visiting a traditional pub. Pubs are not just places to grab a drink. They are often the heart of the community, serving up hearty meals and a cozy atmosphere. When you visit a pub, don't be shy to strike up a conversation with some of the locals. You might get to hear some fascinating stories and get recommendations for hidden gems in the area. Next up is the English currency. The currency used in England is the British pound sterling. Cash is widely accepted, but credit and debit cards are also commonly used. Be sure to notify your bank of your travel plans to avoid any issues with your cards while abroad. Tipping is customary in restaurants, and it's common to leave a tip of around 10 to 15% of the bill if service isn't included. Next up is English heritage sites. England boasts a wealth of historic sites and landmarks, many of which are managed by English Heritage. Consider purchasing an English Heritage membership if you plan to visit more than one heritage site. It can save you money and provide access to some incredible historical locations. And don't forget to explore the beautiful countryside, where you can find ancient castles, Roman ruins, and picturesque gardens. Alright, now we've got enjoying English cuisine. So England has much more to offer than just fish and chips. While you should definitely try this classic dish, be sure to explore the diverse culinary scene. Don't miss the opportunity to indulge in traditional afternoon tea, complete with scones, clotted cream, and finger sandwiches. And for those with adventurous taste buds, explore the multicultural neighborhoods of London for authentic international cuisine. And last but not least is to immerse yourself in English culture. Attend and play in London's West End. Explore the work of Shakespeare in Stratford-upon-Avon, or enjoy a cricket match in the countryside. The English are proud of their cultural heritage, and by participating in these activities, you'll gain a deeper understanding of the country and its people. So there you have it, our guide to what you should know before traveling to England. Before we wrap up, here's a little extra tip. If you're looking for exclusive flight deals and personalized travel assistance, consider unlocking your dreams with Embarcks. Embarcks offers a seamless travel experience tailored to your home airport. With dedicated customer support and the power of AI, your dream destination is just a click away. Join us on this journey of endless exploration. Thanks so much for watching, and may your travels to England be filled with unforgettable moments and remarkable adventures. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and safe travels.